generating an Employees List PDF report. On the Employees List, there is a feature that allows you to generate a PDF list report of employees. This PDF list serves as a printer or email-friendly version of the list of selected employees. To generate the PDF list report, follow 3 simple steps. First, navigate to the Employees page from the Explorer sidebar by clicking on Human Resources and then Employees. Next, select the employees you wish to include in the PDF report. This can be done by pressing the tick next to each employee or by clicking and dragging to select multiple employees that are adjacent to each other. If you wish to select all the employees in the list, you can just click at the top. Now, in the top right of the page, press the Generate Employees PDF button. Enter the email address you want the PDF to be sent to and click OK. After approximately 10 to 30 seconds, you will receive an email with a link to the generated employee PDF. Click on the link and you will see the PDF with the list of your selected employees.